Exercise 8. Word search. Fill in the blanks with the help of the words given below. The first fill in the blank. The sea gets its blue color from dash. Answer: sunlight. Children, you all know that the sea looks blue. It's because of the way the water absorbs light, and also because some of the blue light from the sky is reflected in the water. Number 2. Some animals sleep in winter. They dash. The answer is they hibernate. Some animals like bears, bats, bees, etc. hibernate in winter when it is very cold. When an animal hibernates, they sleep and sleep and sleep with very little activity, slow breathing, and slow heart rate. Hibernation, children, helps them to save their energy when finding food gets tough in very cold regions. Number 3. Dash is another name for a river horse. The answer is hippopotamus. Hippos, children, love water. That is why the Greeks called them river horse. A hippo spends 16 hours a day in a river or lake to keep them cool. They can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. Number 4. A material that will allow light to pass through them fully is called dash. The answer is transparent. Now, children, you can see objects clearly because air is transparent. Air is everywhere. So, we can say air is transparent. Water also is transparent. And glass is transparent. You can see this bowl in which there is a fish and some plants. Look at those juices which are kept in the glass. We can make out the color and how much is there, how much of juice is there because the glass is transparent. We can see the fish because it is transparent. You can see the world clearly because air is also transparent. Number 5. A small shoot growing from a seed is called a dash. Answer: sprout. When a seed begins to grow, children, its first stage is a sprout. The tiny little shoot which emerges from a seed is called a sprout. Number 6. Dash is a continuous process with water changing to water vapor and finally producing rain. The answer is water cycle is a continuous process with water changing to water vapor and finally producing rain. Number 7. Water is made of oxygen and dash. The answer is hydrogen. Water is very important to all living forms of life. We all need water to live. Water is transparent, tasteless, odorless and colorless. It is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Number 8. If you eat carrots every day, you increase your intake of dash. The answer is vitamin A. Vitamin A is an essential nutrient for a healthy vision, for your eyes, children, for your teeth, and for your skeletal tissues and skin. It is found in natural food sources such as carrots. So, carrots are very good for your eyes, for your skin, for your teeth, and for your bones. Number 9. Something that is nourishing or helps in growth is called dash. The answer is nutritive. Most fruits, children, are low in fat, sodium, and calories, and they contain potassium. Diets which are rich in potassium, like bananas, may help you to maintain a healthy body. It will help you to maintain your blood pressure. So basically, all fruits are nutritive. Number 10. The study of the eye is called dash. The answer is ophthalmology. Ophthalmology, children, is a branch of medicine and surgery which deals with treatment of eye disorders. We visit an optician when we need spectacles, when our vision is not clear. But it is the ophthalmologist who checks our eye disorder, and then the optician makes our spectacles as per our needs. Thank you, children. I wish you all the very best. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.